Good evening to one and all. Today I am going to demonstrate an activity to understand the relation between optical power and focal length of a lens. The material required to do this activity are one rectangle transparent box, one cylindrical box which is CD box, one small cylindrical box and one cylindrical bottle and one candle matchbox. Here, if we observe these refracting surfaces of these boxes, here this rectangle box has a plane surface. So, this refracting surface is plane, but these three are curved refracting surfaces. If you observe these three boxes or bottles are bounded by convex surfaces. I filled all these bottles with water. So these three behave like convex lenses. And here I consider that the refractive index of water and these plastic is almost same. Now what happens to the emerging rays when light ray is incident on these refracting surfaces? Here I am lighting the candle. Here candle is the source of light. Let us see emerging rays one by one. I am placing the candle in front of the rectangle box. The rays incident on this plane surface. If we observe these emerging rays, they are parallel. Means here the optical power or refracting power or converging power of this plane surface is 0. They are not going to converge. But they are going to meet at infinite distance. So the plane surface whose optical power is 0. But focal length is infinite. We know that optical power is the ability of medium or lens which converges or diverges a light ray. Here the converging power is 0, that is optical power is 0, but focal length is infinite. Now let us see regarding CD box. See here, the light rays incident on one of the refracting surface of this CD box. If you observe these emerging rays, they are converge and meet at one point. This is the focus. We know that the distance from optical center, that is midpoint of this lens, and focus is called focal length. Here curvature increases but focal length decreases. Again see here, for this small cylindrical box, it has more curvature, but if we observe these emerging rays which are converge, so curvature is more bending takes place, but focal length decreases. Again you see here, for cylindrical bottle, it has largest curvature, so more bending takes place, but focal length is very small. Again you see, here focal length is very small. See here, you observe the focal length here. Here you observe the focal length. Here. For rectangle box, surface is plane, curvature is 0, so focal length is infinite. So the optical power is 0, focal length is infinite. But here it has curvature, focal length decreases. Here curvature further increases, focal length decreases. Here it has largest curvature, so more optical power, but focal length is very small. So from this activity, we can understand that the optical power, that is the ability of medium or lens which converges or diverges a light ray, which is inversely proportional to focal length. So dear students, do this activity at your home to understand these concepts more clear. See here. Thank you.